Myself CG Cherian. She is my mom, my dad. I got the possession of this new flat. After getting the possession, I was searching out for a good interior worker, a designer basically. I got many of them from reference of many interior workers, from colleagues, friends, but then I was not satisfied. Then I searched through the net. I got through Vallabh Interiors and contacted them, and it worked out. The response was so well. So then I got contacted Sonali ji and Prashant ji, who came and asked and discussed about our requirements. All our likes and dislikes were taken care of. Many other things also were taken care of, the space utilization, the color combination, and the finishing work is also very good. So we were very satisfied. Even my parents were very happy with the work of Vallabh Interiors, Sonali ji and Prashant ji. And the entire team also was too good. The carpenters, including electricians and others, all the lighting and POP work, any furniture work, everything, from every minute thing was taken care of. Then our basic requirement was storage. With that we wanted a presentable house, and also one added issue was that old furniture, existing furnitures were required to be shifted to this new flat, which were also very well taken care of. They agreed and accepted. They said we'll do it, and accordingly the interior work started. And one best thing is that Sonali madam had taken her responsibility so well. I did not have to take any follow-up, much follow-up. She had done everything on her own, taken all the care, right from color match, the combination of the old furniture and the new furnitures were taken care of so well that it worked out so well that we also were surprised to see how well it was combined. One more best thing is a timely completion of the work which we wanted, and we accordingly got it and we could shift it on time. Right from curtains, wall painting, other decorative items, everything was guided by Sonali ji. So accordingly it was very well done and taken care of. So we thank the entire team, especially Sonali madam, Prashant ji from Vallabh Interiors. Thank you so much.